back to another video. So I'm thinking it's just going to be a quick one, but we'll see. I just recently found this store on eBay that sells foils. I can't think of the name now. I'll put it up on the screen anyway, the name of the store. And initially I thought the foils were quite dear. I think they ranged from £1.75 up to £1.99. But if you buy 5, you get 10 free. So it worked out at, I got 15 foils for, I think it was £9.95. And they are a metre long. Each foil is a metre long. So they're like double what you normally get. Because you normally get, well, foils that I normally buy from all different places, you normally get a 50 centimetres, half a metre. These are all a metre long. So yeah, it worked out. I got 15 for £9.95, which I think is an absolute bargain. Right, so they've come in this cute little bag, which I like, and it says, "Thank you for supporting my small business." So let's get into it and have a look. I did buy a couple extra as well. I did get the 15 for £9.95, and I think I bought 1 or 2 extra, I can't remember. So look how she's wrapped them as well. Aren't they cute? So this is, I did open them to count that the correct amount was there. So these are the foils that I've bought. And this that she's wrapped them up with, there's 3 piles. Actually, I'll take all these off first to show you. These are all like little samples that she's sent, you know, to wrap them up. Let me open all these and I'll show you. Right, guys. I didn't actually open these little strips that they were wrapped together with. And I just thought they were wrapped together with 1 or 2. Oh my gosh, there is a crap ton. They are only tiny little sample strips, but still, there is a lot. And you'd still get a few sets of nails, because we normally only use foil on an accent nail or a couple. So I'm going to get through these quickly because there's a lot. Right, so there's this. She sells all of these as well. A lot of these foils I have never seen before. Look at that. That is so cool. This one as well, I love it. Look. Wow. This one I've actually already got, and it's called African Jade. They've all got names, these as well, guys, but I've not written the names down. Yeah, look at these. I mean, I've never seen a lot of these before. That's like just a plain, really deep blue. I've seen this one before. How smart is that? Wow. These are so cool. Never seen this one. This is like a lavender purple. Look at it. Look at that. That is so cool. So cool. I've got this one, but I love it. Wow, look at these. There's so many. Oh gosh. So many. Look, I've never seen that one. Wow. This one's going to be difficult to show you. She's got a collection of these, and it's called Dreams. And it's all different effects like that. A bit of a snake skin kind of one. Wow, look at that. These are so cool. Look at all them, guys. All them she sent me for free. All little sample strips. So bloody many. Thank you so much. That's so cool. Right, let's get them off to the side. I'll leave them up there. Right, so I'm just going to get these and just show you one at a time. I don't know how I'm going to do this because they are so bloody long. Right, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to show you like this. Right, so there's this one. How cool is that? Look at the tiny little stars on it. Wow. These are so smart. This one. Wow, look at that. Cool. I had to get this one. It's like a snake skin. It's got pink in it. And hollow. So sorry if I'm blinding you. Look at this one, guys. It's got roses in it. Oh, these are so difficult to show you on camera. It's got like a yellow kind of snakeskin pattern, but it's got roses and a hollow background. Wow. Yeah, this is from that Dreams collection. Can you see? They're all similar but different patterns. These are so cool. And this is a kind of a snake print one with roses. It's so difficult to show you. Wow. Sorry if I'm flicking through them a bit quick, but there is quite a few. Right, so that's the first lot. Right, this second lot, again, I'm just going to do it like I just did it with that one. I'm going to try. Some of these are transparent, so I'll have to do these slightly different. Now, this first one, I've seen these in black, white and pink with this gold kind of marble effect, but I've never seen it in transparent, so it could go over any nail. They're all stuck together, but can you see? Can you see that? It's just like a gold crackly kind of marble. So yeah, that could go over any nail. So we've got that one. It's the first one. And these are really curly, swirly, whirly ones, these. I like that. I've never seen that before. It's got a kind of water marble, alcohol ink kind of thing going on. But then it's got these like little flicks on it. That is so cool. I really like that one. And this one, again, I've never seen before. Really, really smart, that. Really smart. I like all of these. There isn't a single one I don't like. Well, I did pick them myself, so I'm bound to like them. Love that. Never seen that before. I really, really like that. This is one of my favourites, believe it or not. It's like a jelly blue. It's slightly transparent, slightly. And then it's got this like gold, like metallic gold flower on it. That is a nice one, isn't it? Very nice. I thought this one would be quite cool for Christmas or birthday nails. I've actually got some Christmas napkins, exactly the same as that. That's a nice one, isn't it? Whoa. I've seen some camo ones. My friend Cami recently sent me some camo foils, but I've never seen one like this in your standard old school army camo. And it's almost got like a leather kind of effect to it. I love that one. That's really smart. And then this is like that jelly blue one I just showed you. This is like a hot pink one. Isn't it cool? I really, really like that. Right, that's that pile done. Right, and the last pile, this has got one of my favourites in it. Are you ready for this one, guys? I bet you have already clocked it, haven't you? Are you ready? Mickey and Minnie Mouse. How cool is that? It's got all sorts on there. So it's got like the solid heads in black and pink. Big ones, small ones. It's got the ones with the bow. Then it's got these hollowed out ones. Love, fall in love. I'm in love with this foil. And then it's got hollow hearts and solid hearts. That's a special one, isn't it, guys? I'm so sorry about my lighting today as well. My main light, my spotlights, my little desk lights are still working, but my actual main light to this room has literally gone off an hour ago before filming. So if my lighting's slightly different, then that's why. Look at this one. I love that. I got that in pink. And I got that in like a sky blue as well. Aren't they smart? Love these. I love them all. Look at this one, guys. This is the last one. Look, 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 look. Minions. So it's Despicable Me 2. Look, and it's even got the little girl there. Can you see? Where is she? There, look. That's a good one, isn't it? It's all hollow as well. Look at all the different faces that they're pulling. That is so cool. Again, I've never seen that one before either. So yeah, that's all my foils, guys. I am definitely going to get some more of them. I will leave the link below to this store on eBay. Obviously, it's in the UK. I'm not sure if she ships worldwide. Probably not. But I will leave the link in my description box anyway. And I can't believe, let me just count these. 15 of them little sheets she sent me. So she's wrapped 5 around each of these. I'm so impressed, I am. Yeah, I'm really happy with all of them. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. Link will be below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell as well so you don't miss any uploads. Hopefully, I'll see you all in my next one. Take care. Bye.